Welcome to Math Tutor channel. This channel contains videos for NCERT Mathematics from class 6 to 12. So after seeing the video, if you have any doubts, you can contact the mail ID given at the end. If you want math tuition also, you can contact the mail ID and get the details. In this video, we will see NCERT Mathematics for grade 10, first chapter, real numbers. Next, exercise 1.2, third problem, prove that the following are irrationals. First subdivision, 1 by root 2. Assume 1 by root 2 is rational, that is p by q, where q is not equal to 0. Take the common factor and divide that, and we will get a variable a by b. A by b are the coprimes. So 1 by root 2 equal to a by b. Take b to the other side. So b equal to root 2 into a. Squaring on both the sides, b square equal to 2 into a square. So from this, a square equal to b square by 2. From theorem 1.2, if 2 divides b square, 2 also divides b. So this can be indicated by an integer. So 2 into c, which is equal to b. Substitute b equal to 2c in the equation. We will get 2c the whole square by 2 equal to a square, where c square equal to a square by 2. Now from the theorem 1.2, again 2 divides a square, 2 also divides a. From these two conditions, we have arrived that a and b is divisible by 2. This means that a and b have a common factor 2 other than 1. This is contradictory to the earlier first step assumption. This condition is wrong since we have made a wrong assumption that 1 by root 2 is rational. So 1 by root 2 is obviously a irrational number. Second subdivision, 7 root 5. Again consider a controversy for this. 7 root 5 is irrational. So to prove it as a irrational, assume 7 root 5 is rational. That is p by q, where q is not equal to 0. Divide p by q by a common factor and we will get a by b. A by b are coprimes. Now keep root 5 on the other side and take 7 to the opposite side. We will get a by 7 into b. Squaring on both the sides, we will get 5 equal to a square by 49 into b square. Taking all the other terms to one side and have b square on one side. So b square will be equal to a square by 5 into 7 square, which is equal to a square by 245. If 245 divides a square, then 245 also divides a. So substitute a equal to 245c in b square. C square equal to b square by 245. If 245 divides b square, then 245 also divides b. So already we have assumed that a and b are coprimes. So now we got 245 is a common factor to b square. So this is contradictory. This contradiction occurs since we have made a wrong assumption that 7 into root 5 is a rational number. 6 plus root 2. Take the controversy form of it. Assume 6 plus root 2 is rational. Then it can be written as p by q, where q is not equal to 0. Take a common factor and divide it. We will get a coprimes a by b. So root 2 equal to, so 6 plus root 2 equal to a by b. So root 2 can be written as a by b minus 6. So which is equal to a minus 6b by b. Assume a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. These two are prime numbers. So if I simplify this, I got minus 16 by 3, which is equal to 5.333. So this is a non-terminating and repeated number. So I call it as a rational number. So we got root 2 is a rational number. This is contradictory to the fact that a and b are coprimes, which will have only common factor 1. So root 2 is not a rational number. It is a irrational number. We have already proved this. This wrong condition we obtained due to the wrong assumption we have made that 6 plus root 2 is rational. So 6 plus root 2 is not rational, it is irrational. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can contact the mail ID mentioned this video in mathtutor1502@gmail.com. If you want math tuition, you can also contact the same mail ID. The tuition will be taken in 2 languages. One is Tamil, another one is English. Thank you all.